So today we're doing a house tour, but a condo tour. So this is our home in Pasig. We don't usually live here, but we treat this as our investment. So we're very happy with this purchase. It's just that, yeah, we don't normally stay here, get to sleep here. But that's fine kasi pag pinupuntahan namin, masaya naman kami. Ito yung community namin inside. As you can see, there are many buildings and it's a low-rise condominium. So papunta tayo dun sa building namin. So from the car park, merong elevator. So normally ginagamit talaga namin to kasi tamad kami maglakad or umakyat sa hagdan. So it's up to you. Ngayon, pumunta na tayo dito sa second floor, which is yung floor ng unit namin. Tara, let's go inside. I'm gonna show you kung ano yung itsura ng aming condominium unit, which is 2 bedrooms. So pagpasok mo, andyan agad yung kitchen sa right, and then may fridge lang dyang maliit, cupboards, stove, and other kitchenware. Tapos ito na agad yung dining sa left. So as sabi ko nga, hindi talaga kami tumitira dito. So, puro gamit siya na nakastore. And then yung aming piano and some other things na it's actually way back, like from our parents' past. Let's go inside the first room. Almost books lang dito, encyclopedias. Teka, break time muna. Siyempre, tender juicy hotdog pag nasa Philippines. Ayan. Eto naman, balik tayo. Yun lang mga books and other stuff na sa studies namin before. So we kept it here. Mga, alam mo yung mga figurines before, di ba usong-uso yan, ang dami namin yan. So, ito yung bathroom. Sorry, hindi siya ganun ka linis pa kasi kaya rin kami pumunta dito para malinis siya dahil ang tagal nga naming hindi to nabisita. Yun talaga yung purpose namin sa pagpunta dito. Grand piano, and then ito yung second bedroom. Sa second bedroom, meron kami dyang bed na binili pa namin talaga yung bed na yan before kami umuwi years ago. Tapos syempre yung mga paintings, marami rin. Tas yung aircon and some figurines again, as I've said, during 90s, usong-uso yan. So, ang dami yan. So, tara, punta naman tayo dun sa pool sa likod. Di ba may pool sa harap, tapos ito yung nasa likod. And it's a lap pool na talagang favorite namin to pag gusto naming mag-swimming. That's it. Thank you.